So before I get gas, I always come to this app because it always saves me money. I get money back after I capture a picture of the receipt. And right now I'm gonna save 32 cents to the gallon. So now I just pump my gas and I just upload my receipt. And then all you do is scan your receipt into the app, and it takes about 24 hours, and then it puts whatever you earn right into the app, and then you can like cash out. I think you have to wait until you're $20 when you cash out. But if you deliver, then you are driving a lot, using a lot of gas. So I highly recommend getting you some kind of app. I'll leave the link to this app down below because I find this app pays the most. So today's video is going to be a Uber Eats delivery video. When I look for like Uber Eats delivery videos, I find that I'm mainly looking to see like how other people do it, like the how-to parts of the video. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I have so many videos on my channel where I share tips and different things that you could do in the app. And today we're going to go through the whole process together, all the behind the scenes. I might even take you in the restaurants with me if the order's not too big so I can hold my camera. So we're going to start off by logging into the app. I'm sitting outside of a Starbucks right now, and I just got my breakfast and a peppermint mocha. I have not had a peppermint mocha in like 2 years because I've been on the keto diet. So now I'm like, give me all the carbs. I need the peppermint mocha in my life this year. So we are logged in, ready for orders, and I'm going to eat my bagel while we wait for our first order. I'm in a busy area. There's multiple restaurants all around me. It's Saturday morning and I haven't delivered in the morning time in a long time. So I know different restaurants will be more popular than in the evenings when I'm used to filming.
So we gonna have a bagel. We gonna have a bagel. Ooh. Oh my god.
What the? Is it 3 orders?
Head to your pickup at Corner Bakery Cafe.
Alright, I'm already like around the corner from it. Oh, it's 2 orders, but for some reason it came through 3 times. Sweet. And if you push these dots, it'll tell you what they're getting. I like to come in here and to see if somebody's getting a drink. Choose 2. So I don't see any drinks. So I don't see any drinks in their orders. Sometimes there is a drink and it doesn't show it, but I won't be expecting any drinks. So always make sure you look on there, because sometimes there will be a drink and they don't give you one and you're like, whoa, I need that drink. My customer needs that drink. Hi, I have 2 Uber orders. Okay, thank you. What's the name of your Uber order? Jonathan and Lacey. Alright, so I like to try to tie these just so nothing falls out while I'm driving. So this one's Lacey and then this one's Jonathan. a little sandwich. So then we go back into the app and I push that I have both of their foods and it went good. Oh, so the first one is 3 minutes away, and then after I drop the first one off, it'll tell me where the second one is. And if you swipe this up, it will have customer notes. Sometimes they'll leave you notes of like where or how to drop it off. Or if it's apartment complex, they should give you the gate number right there. So that was at a health and rehabilitation center. Lacey was like a worker there. I just left the food at the counter because I parked where I'm not supposed to be parking. There's no parking. So now that it's delivered, I say that it's delivered.
Head to your drop off at 14.
And it tells me where to take the next order to. So I pulled up in front of his house and he was already walking to me. So I gave it to him out my window. Alright, so it went well. And I'm gonna say it's delivered. So now I'm gonna go into the trips and break them down for you. So since this was a double order, they are considered one trip. So here's the total I made, $9.46. That one person tipped, I think it was the first person I delivered to, and they tipped me $2.41. My guaranteed pay, the guarantee for this trip was $3. That's what it shows before I accepted the trip. And the duration and distance are 0 because it was the 2 trips put together. If it's a single trip, it will show you how long it took and how far it was. There's the time, the day, the base fare, and the trip supplement. And that took maybe 20 minutes from picking up to dropping off at both locations. I just passed a garage sale and they had a couple things there that I know Aubrey would love, but I don't have any cash on me. So I was just told by somebody at a red light that my back left light is completely out. No blinker, no light. So I'm gonna go look. Dang it. Well, that could explain why there was a lot of people riding my ass today. That could have been bad. I gotta go get that fixed. I can't do it myself and I don't want to continue driving. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I really hope you learned something, and if I'm missing anything or if you think I could do anything differently, let me know down below. We could all use some tips. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, that doesn't include a hot bag, because if you notice, I do not use a hot bag. I just don't. Any other questions or comments, leave it down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!